What is up, you guys? We are here today with another video over here on Tech with Forrest. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Of course, follow me on Instagram at Tech with Forrest. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Every single like counts, every single comment counts. Again, everything helps push the video out a little bit further into the algorithm. Again, every like, I don't ask y'all to pay me or anything like that. Everything I ask is for free. Likes and comments. I appreciate you guys for all the love you guys have been giving me on this channel. It is something I will never ever take lightly. Hope you guys are all having a great week. Again, this right here is something that we're going to be talking about a lot, and of course, as we do all the videos with the DJI stuff and everything, I wanted to explain to you guys what is 10-bit and what is D-Log. These are two things that are really important if you guys are going to be using any DJI product, because this right here is something that is very, very important you guys know. And of course, you guys will be using this a lot as you guys continue to get better, becoming much, much more improved with videos and of course, quality content. So what we're gonna do, you guys, today, literally gonna read it verbatim as definition, put it up right here on the screen for you guys. First thing we're going to talk about, of course, is 10-bit. 10-bit in a camera refers to a high color depth that allows the sensor to record over 1 billion colors, and that is compared to 16.7 million of 8-bit. 10-bit is way better, makes everything a lot easier to color grade. Of course, that right there is something that we will talk about a lot as well, color grading and everything. Something that is super, super important whenever making content, because of course, you want it to look the best that it absolutely can. Now, whenever you're talking about D-Log, D-Log offers the maximum dynamic range and everything on higher end camera, stuff like that. And of course, right now, you have something on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 that we touched on a little bit, which was the 10-bit D-Log. That is something that is major, major, major. Something that, of course, the Osmo Pocket 3 could not do, made it actually better for cinematic, videos and of course, everything like that. You want to record in 10-bit D-Log because you want to make it as cinematic and as good of a product as you can, because again, you're trying to appeal to everybody. So whenever you guys will record, you'll always see it as like a grainy, almost like a grayish look. Don't be alarmed, you didn't record it wrong, because you can also record like that on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, where you can record with that and then have the color overlay so you can see exactly what it looks like, or you can do it just in D-Log 10-bit. Again, do not be alarmed with that gray. That's just for color grading. Again, it records up to 1 billion colors. Now, again, I will throw up on the screen what a D-Log 10-bit RAW looks like, and then I will show you guys what a color graded D-Log 10-bit looks like up on the screen as well. Again, something that is major for everybody if you're paying attention to it and actually noticing. This is how a lot of creators' footage looks before they get it into their editing software. So this is exactly how it looks. Something that, of course, a lot of people think we record videos and then we just put it up on the internet. No, a lot goes into it, and it's something that we all take a lot of pride in, myself included. The Osmo Pocket 3 shot in 10-bit D-Log M, and that, again, is not that great. D-Log M is just like a lower, I guess, graded D-Log, but D-Log 10-bit itself is as good as you can get. D-Log was designed as DJI's basically maximum dynamic range. That's really what it was, with all the colors and everything. That's really what they were trying to do, and they created it, did a great job with it. This is something, again, that a lot of creators shoot in 10-bit and everything like that, but D-Log, again, whenever DJI did that, really made everything a lot better. Let's just say that they made their product a lot better, because of course they're small. As you guys can see, the Osmo Pocket 4 is a tiny, tiny camera, and it packs a huge punch with everything they put in there, which is kind of crazy. Again, you have slow motion in 4K, 240 frames per second. Again, that's kind of up to 6K, 60 frames, something like that. But definitely something that is absolutely crazy, you guys. They killed it. They did a great job. I'm super, super excited to, of course, see what else DJI comes out with, because they do have the Pro model of the Osmo Pocket 4 coming out, I think, in June. So I'm kind of curious to see how that will be as well. But again, a lot of these things, whenever you hear me talk about D-Log or 10-bit or anything like this, it's really just specifications that I can color grade a lot better than what I'm able to color grade if you shoot otherwise. honestly. So again, everything that you see shot, everything you see on the screen, it does not look like that whenever we put it into an editor. That's really what it boils down to, and wanted to explain to you guys. Because again, a lot of people think these videos just happen. No, they get shot, they get edited from raw video, and of course they get color graded to make sure everything looks as good as it can. So again, wanted to come explain a couple things to you guys as well. Want to make a little short video about that. But again, you guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to get all the notifications, hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things. Love you guys, appreciate y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.